Hello sir, good day. I am Raven Clint A. Bokong, your RPH Section C3 student. So, for today's video, I am going to share you some 3 roles of the 14 roles of the Cartilla ng Katipunan. The first role is the first one is the 6th role of the Cartilla. An honorable man's word is bond. And the second one is the 7th rule. Don't waste time. Lost wealth may be recovered, but time lost forever. And the third one is defend the oppressed and fight for the oppressor. So, sir, about among the 3 roles that I share in the Cartillas of the 14th role, among the 3 roles that I share about the 14th role of the Cartilla, the role number 6, an honorable man's word is his bond, for me, it must relate for today's age because it suggests the trust and reliability. Like, for example, a person's word or promise is their most binding commitment. A person's word or promise is their most binding commitment. And their integrity and honor are their integrity and honor are at stake when they make promises. And in today's age, it reminds me of elected officials or leaders should be held in their campaign promises, or politicians should prioritize honesty, consistency, and moral principles because it's emphasizes the honor and reputations. Betraying public trust can damage credibility. Get me? Betraying public trust can damage credibility. So, that's all for today, sir. Thank you.